Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. So what's your name and what's in here, man?
So my name is Aaron. I'm the owner of Ocote Car Audio, and in here we have 8 Ocote Car Audio Calvo 12-inch subs, powered by a Terram's MD8K.
Okay.
And then we have some Scar and Black Diamond mid highs, powered by Terram's HD 3K.
Nice. Oh, looking after.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Is this a 4th order?
It's 4th order, 1 to 1.5 ratio, 10 to 40 hertz.
Okay.
I got the center console, man.
Looks good. Did you build the box?
Everything. Fabricated and everything.
All right. Do you know your tuning in cubic space at all?
Cubic feet. So the sealed side is 8 cubic feet and the port side is 12. So
okay.
Yeah, 1 to 1. Nice. And 2 to 40 hertz. Ocote Car Audio, yes sir.
Awesome. Is there any way I can see just look inside the box if there's any way, or does the port go back? Does the port go deeper? Okay. That way I can check out inside just a little bit if I'm able to. Nice. So what are these subs rated at, RMS wise? Okay. Okay. And where's your amp? Is there any way to see it at all? Okay. Don't worry about it. Hey, what's up, man? Thank you for watching. What's your name, man?
Brandon.
Brandon. Thanks. Nice to meet you, Brandon. Thank you. Hey, you don't have to take it out if it's covering it up. Don't worry about it. Appreciate it, man. It looks good. So is this like a little mini stunt wall? And okay.
120 amp hour lithium.
Okay. Oh, headway. All right.
Yeah,
Yeah, don't worry about taking this off. What is your amp wired to? 1 ohm. And your amp is right here?
Yeah, the big one's right here, the small one's down here.
Okay. And it's all at 1 ohm. All right. Awesome. Thanks for showing me, man.
Absolutely, man. Appreciate it.
Yes, sir.
Then you can open that door.
Open it? Yeah. Allow the doors open? Yes, sir. Okay.
Chase shit, never chase 'em.
are hitting them hard there, man. I appreciate the demo. Nice job, man. Thank you very much. Ocote Car Audio. Okay.
Ocote Car Audio, yes sir.
Awesome.